want to shoot this quick video. Some of you are asking me to make a video on the ocean, like what my surroundings, what it's looking like. So basically, this is the front of my our condo that we're at. What you see here is the ocean. This is beautiful. Like, we just hopped on these bicycles. At the condo, we have bicycles, so we just took those and rode maybe like less than a minute down to the beach. We're just gonna go drive around this whole neighborhood here. You know, as you can see. And like, just enjoy this, you know, like this is what life is all about enjoying freeness. Like, look at my eyes right now, like I'm so happy. I just want to cry. Like, that's how I feel. It's like joy, it's excitement, you know. It's not sad tears, you know. It just feels so good. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. This is what I'm doing. I just finished doing my meditation. You know, all my morning rituals that I do, I've just finished doing them. I'm an article writer too. I just sent out one article. I just wrote 500 words in like half an hour. Like, I have boost. Like, I'm really ready to go and ready to live my life. So, like I said, I'm on the beaches of the world, as you can see. So I hope you will be joining me soon. Click that button below, get it with me and my husband, and you'll just automatically see what's possible. Lots of love to you guys. Peace.